Hey, what's up, YouTube? How are we doing today? My name is Knots. I'm an artist from New York, and today we're going to continue on our ongoing series, How to Design a Mural. In the first part, we went over the fundamentals that you need to know. Concept design, masking and taping, basically your canvas, how big, how wide, prep work for that. Essentially, we don't want to make any spills. We don't want to go out of the lines. We don't want it to look all messy and sloppy. Um, the third thing that we went over is primary flats. What is the purpose of them and why do we need them? And basically, the colors I chose, I gave an example as to why I chose those colors and what they mean to me. So that's just something for my personal sakes, not necessarily yours. And then we also went over the Gatekeeper. The Gatekeeper is this little green guy right here. We were talking about what his abilities are, what is his purpose in the NkotsVerse. That's basically my universe that I'm slowly creating with my art, with my characters. All these little guys that you see here, and up here, and then there's a little special guy up here that you guys have to wait until the end of the series to see who it is. I hope you guys enjoy. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to hit a like, a subscribe, if you want. It's not required, but it's greatly appreciated. And be sure to comment. Let me know what you guys think of my videos, my editing styles. These are things that I need feedback on so that way I'm able to improve my craft and provide you guys entertaining content. I know as of right now, I'm still learning, so a lot of the things may very seem like cut and dry. I may not have a lot of A rolls, B rolls. I'm trying. I'm slowly working up there with the limited technology and resources that I have right now. It's going to be a growing endeavor and journey. So, again, if you guys enjoyed this video and you find it useful, be sure to hit a like, a subscribe, and hit a notification bell somewhere around the screen. Also, if you guys haven't seen my first video, stop right here, go back, and watch my first video, so that way you guys could see my my journey. Thank you very much, and I hope you and your loved ones have a blessed one. This is actually one of the little puppies that I was talking about, but we won't get into that just yet. You guys have to wait until the end. Thank you and have a great day. Bye. Hey guys, so I've provided you some close-up shots. I know you can't really see from afar, so here they are up close. Hey guys, there was an issue. I forgot to record this little section coming up. Stay tuned, there'll be more.